Data visualization is a key part of public health analysis. Visuals help us understand patterns, detect unusual values, and communicate findings clearly to decision makers. In this video, we'll learn how to create basic visualizations using the ggplot2 package. We'll use ggplot2, which is part of the tidyverse and is widely used for scientific and publication quality graphics. We'll load the libraries, readr for loading the dataset, and dplyr for data manipulation if needed. Then we import our NHANES sample dataset. All ggplot graphs follow the same basic structure. We start with ggplot, tell R which dataset we're using, and define the variable we want to plot inside AES, which stands for aesthetics. Our first visualization is a histogram of BMI. A histogram shows how a continuous variable, like body mass index, is distributed across the population. The bin width equals two argument controls how wide each bar is. Smaller bin widths give more detail, while larger ones simplify the view. This type of plot helps us answer questions like, is BMI normally distributed? Is it skewed? Are there extreme values? We then add labels using labs. Titles and axis labels are important because they make the graph clear and interpretable, especially when sharing results with others. Bar charts are used to display counts for categorical variables, such as smoking status or sex. So instead of a histogram, we use geom_bar, which automatically counts the number of observations in each category. This chart helps us quickly see how many people are smokers versus non-smokers. In public health, this gives us a sense of prevalence within the dataset. Now we move to box plots. The box plot shows the distribution of a continuous variable across groups. Here we are comparing BMI by sex. Box plots display the median, the interquartile range, and potential outliers. This helps us see whether BMI differs between groups and whether one group shows more variability than another. Finally, we create a box plot of systolic blood pressure by smoking status. This allows us to visually compare blood pressure levels between smokers and non-smokers. Instead of just looking at averages, the box plot shows the full distribution, helping us spot differences in spread or extreme values. Overall, these basic visualizations, histograms, bar charts, and box plots, help us explore the data visually before running statistical models. They make patterns easier to understand and communicate, especially in public health research. In the next video, we'll build on these skills by customizing our plots using themes, colors, and faceting. These techniques will help you create publication-ready figures for reports and research.